how to add Tesla key to Apple Wallet. The first thing that we want to do is go to the App Store, and here you will search for Pass2U. We need this application in order to add the key to our Apple Wallet. So click on Pass2U wallet here and just install the application. Once you have the app downloaded, you click on open. It's going to look a little something like this. And we want to press on the orange plus sign here at the bottom. Now we will choose apply a pass template. Now from here, we will use the search bar in the top right, search for Tesla. And you can choose whichever template you want here for your specific car. So for example, let's apply this one. You want to click on it. And then here we will click on next in the top right. You can customize all of these different fields depending on your car. So by clicking on the pencil icon, you can type the VIN and all of the different account names, email, model, year. After you're done with this, you will click on done in the top right. Now just click on add. If you have successfully created this pass, we can check in the wallet. So I'm just going to click on Apple Wallet, and here, as you can see, we have the card, the Tesla card key that we just created. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.